Hello, today I want to talk through using the backdoor functionality in the Kuali test environments. This is a feature where you can log in as a user other than yourself. Some of the scenarios that you might want to use this is testing certain use cases that require multiple users, like routing. If you've set up a particular permission scheme and you want to make sure the users that you've assigned permissions to are going to see everything the way you want them to see it and everything is going to be provisioned properly, you might want to log in as a user you're assigning permissions to and just make sure they see what you expect them to see before you have them get in the system. So I have kind of a very basic use case here to demonstrate how this might be used. I'm in a proposal and I'm logged in as Quick Start, and I created this proposal as Quick Start, and I want to be certain that someone else that has the appropriate permissions could get in and route this proposal, even though I'm the initiator. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that proposal number, and we are going to close this proposal. So we clear out the document lock. Sure, we can save it. And then we're going to go to the System Admin portal. You do have to do this through System Admin. It's meant to be a little bit hidden. And when we click on User Quick Start, we're given this login. This is the backdoor login interface. And I'm going to log in as admin because they have very broad permissions. And then now you can see it says backdoor ID admin is in use. And so that's how we know we're logged in as a different person, because up here in our user, we still see our primary user listed. The system wants to display all the users that you're sort of involved in. You're through the quick start user into the admin user in this scenario. We're going to go to researcher and do search proposals. We're going to search for that proposal number. So we get to that proposal and we can click edit. And now we can come in, and the business case for this is, could be something like you want to make certain that different people in your OSP office, if your OSP office helps users set up their proposals, could submit in the case of someone being out unexpectedly. Fortunately, because of the size of my screen, it's cutting off that final window a little bit. And now we are on the submit screen. We can come down here and see that I do have the submit for review button, even though I'm logged in as admin. So I will go ahead and click on that. And we can confirm that the status is now approval pending and that a different user is able to submit a proposal development document even if they did not initiate it, as long as they have the right permissions. This is obviously a pretty simple basic test case. You wouldn't generally need to test this, but this tool can be used for other more complicated scenarios like this. I hope that this has been useful.